Back. So now we work on problems from Stat 2.1 of the web work. Okay, statistics 2.1 from web work. Now here we go. You have bunch of data. Here you have a data set. Assign the data values above to the corresponding bins below. So notice you have 24 less equals x. So 24 equals is allowed here. 30 is not equal. So 30 is not allowed here. Sorry. 30 less equals. So 30 is allowed here. 36 is allowed here. 42 is allowed here. 48 is allowed here. So keep in mind these equalities in addition to being less than. All right. So 33. Oh, one more point to note here. List the values in increasing order separated by a single space. So no comma, space. And you want your numbers to be in increasing order. So 33 lives here. 31 also lives here, but it should be before 33 because I'm supposed to write in increasing order. Smaller numbers first, and remember space between numbers. 51 lives here. 38 lives here. 47 lives here. 42 equals. So 42 lives here. It's smaller, so I need to write first with a space in between. 36 36 lives here, not here, here. Sorry. So I should write 36, but it's smaller than 38, so it comes first. 29 lives here. 34 lives here. 51 lives here, so it's a repeat, so that's okay. Remember, I'm allowed one, I have to place one space. 42 is here. There's already a 42 and then 47, so I'll write one more 42 between the two. Remember, only one space. 26 is here. It's smaller, so it's smaller than 29. That comes first. 41 is here. And 36 is here, so it goes between these two with a space. Let's try there. All right, so remember, you need to input space and in increasing order. Next problem. Okay, here is a histogram. Which of the following attributes best describes the histogram? Skewed to the right, to the left, bimodal, symmetric. Well, it is definitely not symmetric. It is not bimodal. Bimodal means two highs separated by one or more lows. Symmetric means symmetry, left-right symmetry, none of that. Is it skewed to the left or to the right? You look at the tail. Tail is to the left, so it's symmetric to the, skewed to the left. Okay, next problem. We want to fill in the appropriate letter from above. So we want to put in a letter, either A or B or C. Frequency, percentage, relative frequency. Okay, the number of observations that fall in a class, that is a frequency, A. The relative frequency of a class multiplied by 100. 100, that gives me the hint. I'm multiplying by 100, so it's a percentage. And the ratio of the frequency of a class to the total number. So frequency divided by total number is called relative frequency. Good. Next. Now here, books read within the past year. No books. none books, and frequency is 10. I see. So different people were, 74 people were, I suppose, interviewed. 10 people said no books, 0 to 4 books, 12 people said so on and so forth. We don't know this. Looks like we need a calculator. So Desmos, math tools, scientific calculator. Okay, let's have this handy. Okay, so what's the question? The question is, what is this blank? Well, 74 in all people were interviewed and these are their numbers. So the missing guy is 74 minus these other values. So 74 is the total, none is 10, 0 to 4 is 12, 5 to 9 is 16, 15 to 19 is 15, 20 to 25 is 8. So I hope it's clear. Total is 74. These are all filled in. So this will be total minus everybody else. So what do we have there? 13. What goes here is 13. Now, relative frequency. You have your frequency. Relative frequency is you take the frequency, divide by the total. So 10 over 74 and leave it like that. Over is forward slash 74. Likewise, 12 over 74. 16 over 74. This is, they have already calculated, 15 over 74. 8 over 74. Okay, total is 74 over 74. That's a 1. Let's check. Good, everything is correct. Next problem. Okay. Here, so we have 136 students. Professor records how much money each student has in their possession during the first day of class. So here is a histogram, all right? This histogram, is it skewed right? Is asymmetric? So click on the image for a larger view. What do we want? They are asking us to choose only one. It is asymmetric. It is asymmetric. Has an outlier. That is also true. All of the above. That's correct. I would say it's all of the above. Look at the tail. It is to the right. It is asymmetric. Asymmetric means it is not symmetric, which is true. There is no left-right symmetry. There is an outlier. So there is a few students here who have this amount of money, right? More than $100. Few students. So there is an outlier. So all of these is true. Now the percentage of students with over $20 in their possession is over $20. So $20 is here, amount of money, more than 20. So let's say this is 20. 20 plus looks like that's 5, 25. That looks like 1 or 2, 1, say 26, plus a few, right? 4, say 30, and someone here, 31 or 32. And these were out of 136 students, right? So let's say 32 or so over 136 students. That's relative frequency, and you would multiply by 100 to get a percentage. So it's about 20% or 23%. So I would say about 20%. Okay. The number of students with under $10 is closest to. So under $10. So this is $10. Under $10 is a little above 60, right? 61, 62. So closer to 60. Let's try. That's correct. And that completes section 2.1. Notice in our homework sets, We don't have anything beyond 2-1 for chapter 2. Okay, so the next videos will cover chapter 3. All right, and there are exercises for chapter 3, but for chapter 2 only one section. Okay, until the next video, bye.